Now we will be doing 3 of the 6 Qigong sounds, corresponding with Qigong movements and the organs. The first is the lungs, and the sound S like a snake. S. We inhale. Arms down. Bring the hands up to our lungs, looking internally to the left lung, to the right lung, to the left lung, to the right lung. The corresponding light or color for the lungs is white. So imagining being bathed in white color of our lungs. Inhale. Exhaling dark. Bringing your hands up to our lungs, looking to the left, looking to the right, looking to the left, looking to the right, and repeat as many times as you feel necessary. Our next sound and next organ will be the kidney, and the color will be sapphire blue. The sound will be ch, ch. So we're going to inhale, come behind our kidneys, exhale the sound, bend our knees, bring our hands behind our kidneys, just right behind, just barely touching, looking to the left kidney, looking to the right kidney, looking to the left kidney, imagining our kidneys bathed in the color of sapphire blue. Inhale. Exhale the sound. Darkness out. Sapphire blue in. Bring our hands behind our kidneys. Look to the left. Look to the right. Look to the left. Look to the right. Inhale. Exhale down. Exhaling darkness. Inhaling sapphire blue. Just rub your kidneys. Lightly tap them. And we'll move on to our liver sound. The liver sound is shh. The corresponding color is emerald green. So we will inhale. Bend to the left. Exhale down. Inhale, come bring our hands in front of our liver. Look to the left of the liver, look to the right of the liver. Back and forth. Feeling the emerald green color around our liver. Down, inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, bring the hand over the liver. Look to the left, to the right, covering the whole liver, bathed in emerald green. Exhale. One more time. Darkness squeezed out of the liver, being replaced with emerald green. Down. Bring our hands up over our liver, looking to the left, looking to the right. Bring our hands to our liver, step our feet together, move our hands right below our belly button at the Dantian center, the center of cultivation of qi within our body. Just holding it there. All the good qi within our body. Small circles around. And if you have a cat, he can do Qigong too. Change directions. Hold it, seal it in, and release your arm. Thank you very much.